Hi, I'm Peter from HDI, and in this video I'm going to be giving you 3 quick tips for working with Microsoft's Whiteboard. The first tip will be instant arrowheads. Our second tip will be working with the ruler and drawing straight lines. Third tip will be erasing lines and clearing your canvas. So firstly, instead of having to draw arrows all the time, you can select your pen tools to have a single arrowhead or a double arrowhead so you can instantly have them at your disposal. The second tip will be drawing with the ruler. You can use the ruler to draw straight lines wherever you wish. You can change them around and the angle, but if you don't want to use the ruler, you can draw a line on your page, hold it, let it snap in place and place that whichever way you'd like. The third tip is for removing lines. You can set your eraser to do a partial stroke or a full stroke. Partial stroke removes some, a full stroke removes the entire line. And if you want to clear the canvas, right click by holding the canvas, clear canvas, confirm, and you're back to where you started, ready for a new go. Hope you enjoyed those tips. We'll see you next time. Thank you.